What's up, friends? This is Obi with Throdle, and I'm here in front of a Dodge Challenger that's been modified into a Plymouth Road Runner Superbird. Fans of NASCAR racing and muscle cars know that the Superbird is one of the fastest cars of all time, setting speed records on the oval track across the country. So let's take a look at the front end, because this is where the magic happens. The original Superbird had an extension that was mainly done for aerodynamics, to get that high speed going on the racetrack. And this one is a perfect tribute to that. You can see where they modified the Challenger and put on this gorgeous front end. But to me, it's not just the style of it, it's the details of the paint job too. If you look closely, you can see the carbon fiber weave, and you can also see where the gold paint ends, and it's so clear and clean. And then the distance between the paint up here, the carbon fiber, and the other paint, the gold paint, is done so uniformly all the way across. You can tell it was a master painter that did this. Just gorgeous. In addition to that, when you look at this, you can see the shape. It's just like a perfect tribute, just perfectly integrated as if it came straight from the factory. Let's take a look at the rear, because there is a lot of amazing stuff going on here. You have the perfect tribute to the original wing. This thing, nobody had ever seen anything like that. And you know what? When this came out, it really did weigh that car down and keep it planted. This was amazing. And so here we have this perfect tribute that really looks like it just came out of the factory, because it's cleanly integrated with the sidelines of the original Challenger. Now what I love too is that they put an extra flare on the side. They got some big fat wheels and even fatter forged aluminum wheels here, painted this gorgeous gold brown. It hits and contrasts so well in the sun. And as we come down, you can see a little bit more of the carbon fiber trim here. This car is just gorgeous. I love the color, I love the feel, and you can see everybody here today admiring the tribute to the heritage of this car. So, download the Throdle app, leave your comments down below, follow me on I Would Buy This Ride. What are your thoughts? Let's hear them. See you next time.